Hello everybody, it's Wendy, and today we are going to do an unboxing of the Jesse James Magical Mystery Bead Box for February 2023. We are also going to do a giveaway. So first of all, our encouraging word for today is you can do anything you set your mind to. That is very true. Okay, so the Magical Mystery Bead Box this month, the theme is Pirate Getaway. Sounds pretty fun. And there's going to be a giveaway. So, in order to enter the giveaway, you have to be a subscriber to my YouTube channel and to Jesse James' YouTube channel. And I will link the Jesse James YouTube channel in the description box below this video. So you have to subscribe to both of those. And I'm going to do the drawing on March 10th. 2023. So if you want to be part of this giveaway, it's going to be a free February Magical Mystery Bead Box. So you would get this box, this Pirate Getaway Pirate Getaway box for free. My goodness. Okay, so if you want to enter, subscribe to both me and the Jesse James YouTube channels, and put a comment in the description box below, or in the comments below this video, that you would like to be part of the giveaway. All right, so let's get into this. I can't seem to get my thoughts straight today. All right, ooh, this looks really cool. Okay, so here is what's inside, and I'm just going to pull them out and see if I can find the right one. For the first one is the glass bead strand in Tortuga. That has to be this. It's the only one left. There it is. Oh, these are the electroplated rainbow. They're really, really pretty. So you could do peacock colors. I can see why they would use this as the pirate theme too. It's really cool. It could also be like the peacock kind of stuff, but this is really pretty. These are 4mm rondelles, electroplated. Okay, then we have a bead strand in the Adventures of Anne Bonny. And that's this one. This is really cool. So we've got, these are some polymer clay beads right here. Some rhinestone rondelles, those are metal. Here's some other metal beads. Really pretty crystals on here. Gold spacers. Couple of the European large hole style beads. Ooh, and these really pretty. These look like Lamport glass. So really pretty. This is the Adventures of Anne Bonny. Looks really pretty with that too. Let me set this aside. Okay, and then we have a bead strand in Caribbean Escape. That's this one. Ooh, these are really pretty. Look at those rhinestone rondelles. They are so sparkly. These are shell beads, painted shell, mother of pearl shell. You've got some rhinestone rondelles, a lot of gold metal. These are really pretty. Look how, ooh, those look really good with that too. Look at those. Wow, okay. Then we have a bead mix in the Siren Song of Rachel Wall. Okay, that's this. Move these out of the way and we will cut this open. Okay, so really pretty. These are like ceramic porcelain painted beads. Got some crystals in like a yellow color. Ooh, these are cool. These are polymer clay again, I think. No, those may be ceramic as well, or glass. I think they're ceramic. Really pretty. We've got some more large hole beads. Crystals. These are lava beads. Really cool, goodness, cones. I cannot think of what they were called. Cones. Some pretty bead caps. And some more sparkly, some squares. Actually, yeah, these are square. I didn't know if they were drilled this way, but they're square. And some barrel shapes. So really pretty. And that is the Siren Song of Rachel Wall. Alrighty. Then we have a bead set in Walk the Plank. This stuff cracks me up. Oh my goodness. Okay, these are so cute. Oh, these are cute. Okay. So we've got some little parrots. Oh, these are so cute. And some really pretty rhinestones. Look at this together. Wow. Those are adorable. Oh my gosh. And they're drilled, if you can see right here, straight down through. So those are really cool. I love these colors. They're so bright and pretty. Okay, so that's that. Those are awesome. That is the Walk the Plank set. Those are wooden too, by the way. Then we have Component Mix in Night at Port Royal. Oh, that's this. Oh, wow, look how pretty. I love the colors that they've got this month. They're so pretty. Night at Port Royal. So we have some tassels, little flower tassel type things. We have some flowers. These are connectors. They've got holes both places here. We have some Monstera. I think that's how you say those. Leaves. Those are cool. Look, they're different. They're like a blue on this side, a green on that side. Pretty cool. We have some beads in bead frames. And, oh, look at these. Ooh, those are pretty. That's like a dark vitriol. Beautiful. Wow. So that is the Night at Port Royal set. Those are really pretty. Okay. And then, get these kind of out of the way here. My camera likes to focus on everything in the background if it can. Then we have Feather Pear and Queen Anne's Revenge. That's these. Be careful how I cut that because I don't want to cut the feathers. Oh, these are cute. I love feather tassels or feather earrings. Look how cute. And you can take a little bit of water if you want. Just wet your fingers and run them down on this. And it'll straighten them out. And then when they dry, they'll be straighter where they've been in the package. They're just a little bent, but you can do that. Those are super cute though. And look at the green. Look how pretty. It's like a greenish tint to them. They're beautiful. I'll probably make earrings out of those. I love those. Queen Anne's Revenge. All right. Okay, then we have Jolly Roger gold medal chain. That's this. Jolly Roger gold medal chain. Oops. Oh, they're little skull and crossbones. Look at that. That is too cute. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. I love it. You get a bunch too. That would be cute with the parrots somehow. All right, and then we have clasp set in Bermuda. Is this taped? Sometimes they tape these and I never can get them open. No, this one's not, I don't think. It's just, I still can't get it open. Oh my goodness. Where's Chris when I need him? Maybe it is taped. All right, hold on. Ooh, okay, I broke a sweat trying to get that open. All right, so we have a clasp, a metallic clasp in like a rhinestone silver. Really, really pretty. We have a lobster clasp with rhinestones. This looks very pirate-ish to me. Would be really cute with that. And we have a toggle. Really pretty. That's really pretty and delicate. And then we have, I don't see this on the list, but we have some wire. Is this not on the list? Glass bead strain in Tortuga, bead strain in the Adventures of Anne, bead strain in Caribbean, bead mix, bead set, component mix. Huh. I don't see it listed, but it is really, really cool. It's an electroplated wire, matches these really well. How cool is that? Awesome. So this is the Magical Mystery bead box for the month of February. If you would like to join into the drawing, you have to subscribe to Jessie James YouTube channel and to my YouTube channel, and then put in the comments below that you want to be part of the drawing. Again, the drawing will be on March 10th, 2023. I will put all the names in a computer-generated random name spinner thingy, and we'll let the computer pick somebody to win this free magical mystery bead box. Okay, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.